Stephen Box, thank you very much to the BAC for hosting, and thank you very much to the LAPD for joining us this evening. And most of all, thank you, cyclistas, for speaking up, because this incident, I believe, and I have contended in the article I wrote in City Watch, is not just a very significant incident, but it's also one that has occurred before. And so the pattern is what concerns me most. It's very difficult, I'm sure, to police a city chasing incidents, and it's very difficult as an advocate to chase incidents. We wear ourselves out. So we have two things going for us. I think the first thing is our relationships, and we need to work together to address the possibility of a pattern, a bias-based policing pattern, I would suggest. And I ask you to consider the fact that cyclists are getting handcuffed. Cyclists are being forcefully removed from the road. And if we're going to put these relationships to work, I'd like to ask you to consider a call to action, if you will. We really would like the LAPD and the Bicycle Advisory Committee to join us in establishing a policy on handcuffing. 750 motorists ran the red light at Alvarado and Temple in the first 3 months of this year. Not one of them was handcuffed. They received citations. Not one of them was wrestled to the ground. They were cited, but not one of them was run off the road. And they all ran those red lights. This weekend, 10 people died on the streets of LA County. And yet, for some reason, we seem to put this heavy physical focus on subduing a cyclist, one of our most vulnerable users of the road. So I'd also like you to consider a call to action and to join us in a policy on the pursuit of a cyclist. How do we identify ourselves to the cyclists? If the PD are chasing, a cyclist, how does we, does the police officer cut them off or chase them, or do we just let them ride away? I don't know, but I think we need to work on that policy. But most importantly, we need to revisit our policy on assemblies. Quite simply, our ability to take to the public space, and our streets are public space. Our streets are for people, and we're just folks. Thank you very much.